there is one position of ignorance. People are ignorant and they are ignorant that they are ignorant. That's position one. One is ignorant and is ignorant that is ignorant. Position two, he is ignorant and is knowledgeable that is ignorant. Position three, he is ignorant and is knowledgeable that is ignorant and can choose to seek knowledge so as to eliminate his ignorance. This is position 3. Position 4 is that he is seeking knowledge but needs courage to implement the knowledge so as to eliminate ignorance. Here he needs the courage. Position 5, he is knowledgeable that is ignorant and he is procured the knowledge to eliminate the ignorance, and he has got the courage to implement the knowledge so as to eliminate the ignorance. Now he has to implement it with conviction in the knowledge. So here a new word is the conviction of the knowledge, so that the ignorance is eliminated, because he has got the courage to do that. Position 7 is that he must now have integrity with the knowledge. He had the conviction in the knowledge, he has implemented the knowledge, he has eliminated the ignorance. Now he must have integrity with the knowledge. Then it becomes wisdom. And then he has to practice wisdom and propagate wisdom of living and persuade other people to the side of the wisdom, and they also start living the way of the wisdom. Then it becomes his nature to live in the wisdom. So the graduation is from total ignorance, ignorant that the person is ignorant, to choosing to procure the knowledge, having procured the knowledge, has the courage and then the conviction in the knowledge, then knows that he has knowledge because there is no more ignorance, and because he knows that he has knowledge, he has integrity with the knowledge, and then he persuades other people to follow and live in the way of the knowledge. Thereby the knowledge becomes his wisdom, and then repeatedly when he persuades other people and he himself practices the way of the wisdom of living, how to live with vibrancy, with innovation, and then the wisdom becomes the nature of the person. Then there is no reversal back to ignorance. But most of the time what happens is, the people, though they know the knowledge and though they know the corresponding ignorance in which they are, and though they know that this is the time to implement the knowledge, they lack the courage. They lack the courage to implement the knowledge. They lack the courage to come out of the ignorance, reject the ignorance. They lack the knowledge to substitute the ignorance with the way of the wisdom. So one must have the courage, integrity and conviction in the way of the wisdom. Then the wisdom becomes a nature.